Inflammation, though a natural response, can wreak havoc when chronic. Enter breakfast, the day's opening act and a crucial opportunity to set the stage for health. Embracing an anti-inflammatory diet from the get-go can transform mornings into a potent tool for wellness. This article unveils 5 vibrant and nutritious breakfast ideas designed to kickstart your day while taming inflammation. Let's explore these culinary delights that not only tantalize taste buds, but also harness the power of anti-inflammatory ingredients, ensuring your mornings begin on a nourishing and healthful note. Inflammation, a driver of numerous health issues, calls for dietary intervention. Particular attention to the morning meal can chart a course toward mitigating inflammation's impact. This section elucidates the significance of an anti-inflammatory diet and its pivotal role in enhancing overall well-being, with a focus on breakfast as a cornerstone for managing inflammation levels throughout the day. Understanding anti-inflammatory foods forms the bedrock of wellness. These edibles possess potent properties that combat inflammation, crucial for mitigating various health concerns. Delving into the benefits of an anti-inflammatory diet unveils a treasure trove of nutrients and compounds found in specific foods that actively quell inflammation. Exploring these properties lays the groundwork for incorporating these foods strategically into breakfast, kickstarting the day on a healthful note that resonates throughout the body. Breakfast plays a pivotal role in modulating inflammation. This meal serves as the launchpad for energy levels and metabolic functions throughout the day, making it an opportune moment to introduce anti-inflammatory elements. Harnessing the power of breakfast allows for a proactive approach in managing inflammation, setting a positive trajectory for overall health. Understanding the impact of morning nutrition on inflammation underscores the importance of making informed and health-conscious choices to start the day on a vibrant and anti-inflammatory note. Discover 5 tantalizing breakfast options rich in anti-inflammatory prowess. These curated recipes incorporate vibrant ingredients renowned for their inflammation-taming properties. From turmeric-infused smoothies to nutrient-packed chia seed puddings and avocado toast adorned with flax seeds and greens, each recipe embodies a fusion of flavor and health benefits. Embracing a quinoa breakfast bowl teeming with anti-inflammatory spices, or savoring a comforting oatmeal adorned with inflammation-combating toppings, these breakfast ideas promise both taste bud delight and a nourishing start, harnessing the potent force of anti-inflammatory foods to ignite mornings on a robust and healthful footing. Elevate your breakfast routine effortlessly with these anti-inflammatory choices. Incorporating these morning delights doesn't demand a complete overhaul. Simple meal prep and flavor balancing can seamlessly infuse anti-inflammatory power into your mornings. Strike a harmonious balance in flavors and nutrients, while ensuring consistency and variety in your breakfast selections. Embrace the art of meal planning to effortlessly integrate these vibrant and healthful options into your daily routine, allowing your breakfast table to become a vibrant palette of anti-inflammatory goodness, fostering well-being from the very start of each day. Cap off your anti-inflammatory breakfast journey with practical tips. Explore meal preparation strategies to streamline mornings, balancing flavors and nutrients for optimal benefit. Emphasize the importance of variety and consistency in an anti-inflammatory diet, ensuring a diverse array of nutrients. Mastering the art of crafting these breakfast options aligns seamlessly with a health-conscious lifestyle, promoting sustained well-being. Whether through efficient planning or flavor amalgamation, infuse your mornings with these tips, transforming breakfast into a robust foundation for managing inflammation and nurturing holistic health.